Hi, I'm Erica Heat, Editor-in-Chief of Interiors, the only magazine dedicated to the residential interior design trade. Each issue features not only the best in decor, art, and architecture, but also spotlights emerging design visions. Here's a look at one designer from our latest issue.
Welcome to Greenwich Village. This is one of my favorite projects, and I can't wait to show you around. We wanted to do something really spectacular in this entry. We put in these antique mirrors because really, what do your guests want to see more than themselves? And we paired this with this smoky, sexy silver leaf wallpaper on the ceiling. This is an open floor plan, which is great for bringing in lots of light, but challenging when you want to give a space an identity. We began by grounding the dining room with this beautiful strié rug. This luxurious custom dining table is made up of quartzite, and this asymmetrical chandelier is like a crown. This is another way we delineated the space. The living room is defined by this corner sectional. The purpose of this space is for people to relax. So we chose this rich velvet, which is both warm and enveloping. Our goal when we design a space is to not only make it functional, but also visually interesting. We painted it using this high gloss vanilla color, thereby giving this space a feeling of intimacy and openness. When you walk into the den, the first thing you see is this high impact wallpaper. Although it might feel like you're in a completely different apartment, it gave us a great backdrop for some treasures. And we played off of it with the inverse colorway for the window treatment. And since the wallpaper is so pronounced, we used a neutral for the sofa. And we paired it with these leather pillows, creating a masculine and feminine vibe. Just showing again how we like to have fun with shapes and textures. This is the master bedroom. In this space, again, we went with dramatic patterns. We covered the bed in this geometric brass, black, and cream custom bedding, matched with this fully upholstered headboard. Collaborating with my client, we used this wallpaper that reminds her of her trips to Paris. A nod to mixing and matching materials, we flanked the bed with these alabaster lamps. We wanted this space to be soothing and relaxing, but still chic. This was a really fun project and a great collaboration with the clients. It shows their true personalities and the designer's touch. Thank you for taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?